Okay, friends, let's directly jump on to the question and answer. Question number 186 says P3O sponsor is responsible for what activity? For investment required to set up the P3O. So that is the correct answer. But for your understanding, you can read more options like ensure the portfolio delivery required strategy, not the requirement. It's a responsibility of your head of the P3O. Okay, recruit the portfolio staff, it's not their responsibility. Recommend appropriate mix, again it's not the responsibility of the head of the P3O sponsor. So is the correct answer. Which is critical success factor for temporary office model level P3M3 maturity level 3 and above? Not, it's not the temporary function, it's a virtual P3O office success factor. Consider PPM training through approved training providers. Yes, that can be possible. Program projects develop their own templates. That's not technically correct. Program projects culture does not exist. That again not a correct answer. So B is the most correct answer. 188, which is an underlying success factor for virtual P3O model? Good heads of the hub portfolio office are available. Current cultures approach the challenges. Standard continues to develop by monitoring external best practices, and P3O costs are overseen. So I believe C is the most correct answer. Yeah, it is. The COE covers what function or services? Support PPM tools. Yes, that is COE's job. Support delivery of the specific program. That is not the COE job. That is the delivery support function and the responsibility of that program or a project office. Provide capacity planning. Again, not the function. Align project strategy. That is the strategy support function, and head P3O office is doing this stuff. So I believe A is the most correct answer for the COE. That is, which is an example of delivery support function. Report the portfolio performance through a management dashboard. That is a strategy support function. Train coach, train and coach COE staff is a COE function. Develop standard process for producing business case. That is standard process is again a COE function. Provide a flexible resource to, that is a delivery support function. So I believe D is the most correct answer for delivery support function. Okay, thank you very much for attending this and keep on learning. Thank you.